Hi. Hiya. Hi. There's a lot of people out today. It's about 60 degrees probably. Lots of kids out there playing in the playground. Lots of dogs in the park. All of a sudden they just came. Looks like the dogs want to walk up to the house. We haven't been up to that mansion for a while. They just came in from there when we were in the field. Now, they're halfway up. I guess we're going. See what's up there. I don't know if they tore it down. No, I still see it through the trees. No one's allowed up there though, but I know it's haunted. Some lady was telling me about it before. If you watch some of my other videos about it. But I don't want to go inside while I have the dogs. I mean, I do want to go inside to take pictures and stuff, because usually I see things on the photos, but I can't take my dogs in there. Where are you going, Ben? Buster followed him in there. I know, it's hard to get through all that, isn't it, Buster? Get it, pal. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. I want to kick you now. Watch out. It's deflated. Come on. Come on. Let's go. This is Tuesday. We're back at the park again. It's 60 degrees and it's very cloudy. Not like yesterday, but I figured it was too warm not to take them. because tomorrow I'm gonna take my van up to Lancaster and drop it off for the roof vent fan and the extra battery. One of the dogs is up here swimming. Two, actually. Let's see. Yesterday rained, so it's pretty squishy here. Or actually this morning it rained. A lot of mud. Come on, Ben. Still coughing. Benny. Squishy. Sorry, Ben. Hi. Oh my God, Benny's in the water. You're gonna have the car all wet today. Yeah, you are. Look at you. It's not that warm out, Ben. It's not that warm, is it? You need a haircut. Are you gonna shake now? Of course, right on me.